Hi friends, today we are at Prompong BTS station in Bangkok and we are going to explore Bangkok's newer shopping centre, in fact the newest, called Emsphere. So let's go. Emsphere is the third shopping mall in this location called EM District, and this is owned by the Mall Group. So on to our right here is M Quarter, which was completed in 2015, and this is the second shopping centre built by the Mall Group. Coming up on our left is the entrance to Emporium, the first shopping centre built by the Mall Group and was completed in 1997. So we're coming up to the entrance of Emsphere. It took us about 15 minutes to walk from the Prompong BTS station to where we are right now. The escalators on the right would lead you to the third floor for IKEA, and sixth floor would lead you to UOB Life, which is a very big event hall area. Right friends, so this is a directory of the shops. So to be brief, food is on G and GM, IKEA is on the third floor, parking is on the B1, B2 and the fourth floor. The sixth floor is UOB Life and the rest is shopping. Friends, this recording was done in March 2024, and I think as you can clearly see, a lot of the shops were not ready as yet. However, I think that if you were to pay a visit here towards the middle of the year or maybe a little later, you will definitely see many more shops and things will be a lot more interesting. So friends, in my opinion, as far as prices go, this is not MBK, you know, where you have lower prices. But nevertheless, this is a very interesting mall and you get a lot of refreshing displays, you know. It is definitely worth a visit. Right friends, so I'll be ending off the video very soon. I thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments, and I wish you a lovely day ahead.